Okay guys, just open settings, then select general. Okay, then select picture in picture. Okay, then you can see the button is right side. Tap on that button. Now we are successfully turned on this feature. Picture in picture, that is actually FaceTime and WhatsApp calling. When you are calling in the WhatsApp, you minimize the application. You can easily see who is calling, like the video call, like these photos. Look these photos like this. You can see the YouTube videos like a floating a small windows. Okay, guys, this is the feature picture in picture. Okay, it's one of the very good feature. I think this feature came on iPhones on 2023 or 22, I think. Okay, but Android phones are at the starting time also allowing this, like Android 5 and above support this feature. Okay, guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.